This is your tic-tac-toe, and a lot of people may not know exactly how to do a tic-tac-toe, but this is a key guide that I use very often because it actually brings me a lot of hits. And if you was to write these particular numbers down and draw 4 different number signs and place the numbers in that particular position, this could be your key guide on when you're doing a workout. So today I'm going to show you exactly how to see these numbers and how you can predict your hit off of it. So the first box I have 193, 204, 315. The second box I have 426, 537, 648. The third box is 759, 860, 971. And as you see in the last box is 082 and 082 in the next 2 particular squares. And the reason why I put 082 because there's no other numbers, and sometimes people get confused about what goes in those particular boxes. So the 082 was the last number that was left. So I just put the 082 in the last 2 boxes. So don't let that confuse you about the 082. So basically what you do, you would take your daily hit or the number that has fallen for that day, either midday or evening. You can do both. And I'm going to give you an example. Just say if, we'll say 6, 7, 8 fell. So what I do, I draw 3 different boxes, number sign boxes. And you actually just plug in the numbers that you see off that hit. But I go horizontal, then I go diagonally, and then I go diagonally again, but I would actually vice versa that number. So just say, for instance, if you had 6, 7, 8 that fell, okay, use a different color marker. I would put 6, 7, 8 going straight up and down. Then I would put 6, 7, 8 diagonally. And then I would vice versa these particular numbers. I would make that 6 a 1. That 7 would be your 2. And the 8 would be a 3. So I use these to actually, I would go up here and find the 6 in this position, in the first position. So it would be this. So I would put 6, 4, 8. And 7, I would find the 7 in the first position. That would be the 7, 5, 9. And the 8, 6, 0. And then again, you have your 6. So it would be 6, 4, 8. Now my 7 has switched positions. So my 7 is in the middle. So I look in each square to see which one has the 7 in the middle. And it would be the 9, 7, 1. So I put my 9 and I put my 1. So the 8 has changed position as well. So I look for the 8 and it would still be the 6, 4, 8 here. And since I vice versa these particular numbers, because sometimes numbers flip, like I told you before in my other video, you can actually find the 1, and that will be the 193. So you plug in the number here. And then you have your 2, which is in the middle. That's 426. And then you have your 3. Again, it would be the 193 in the last position. So basically, this is how you actually look for the particular hits. And as you see that in these particular boxes, most times the hit, it can come from the first box. But I like looking in the second and third box. So what I do, I just make up different combinations on the numbers that I've seen the most in the particular boxes. So if 6, 7, 8 fail, you could probably get, I see the 648 twice here and 648. And I also see the 193, which is also 648. It's the reverse side of it. And what you see, it's like different numbers you can use. It may be 369 or it may be 971. But you can actually go back and look at these particular two boxes. The last two boxes, and most times, 9 times out of 10, most of your hits will come from the last two boxes, but you have to write the different combinations of the numbers or find out what number is due for that particular drawing, and then you may be able to find that particular hit. So this is my tic-tac-toe, actually my guide that I use. So a lot of people, you won't get confused. I try to explain it a better way and to have a wider screen because the other videos that I have are small. So hopefully this will be helpful for you. And let me know. You can actually email me or send me a response, and I'll go ahead and explain it more to you if you need more to be explained.